Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you one Ethereum unlimited claiming, but they pay you less because the Ethereum value is right now is very high. Ethereum price is very high right now. About that, they pay you little bit less because the value is very high. About that situation, if the value come down much more, you can claim very well. Okay, right now in 5 years, one time the Ethereum go up to this one much, and least in this year December or 2019 November, the Ethereum is very low. Okay, and in this duration you can earn much more Ethereum from this website, and you can earn much more. Okay, please subscribe to my channel, watch our videos. Okay, let's get started. Okay, this one is the website, no timer claiming website. Okay, they pay you 6 satoshi every 0 minute because the Ethereum value is very high. Okay, about that they pay you nothing nothing, and you can just paste your Faucetpay wallet address in here. You come here, go to link to copy my MetaMask Faucet wallet address, and come here to Ethereum, paste and click I'm human. Get to dashboard again. Wait to fill the capture. Okay, this is my all faucets that I claim from Torrent. I shared this video before of these. You can watch that video too, and just click this button where I feel capture, click get reward, and you can get your reward instantly. They pay you instantly in your Faucetpay, and this one is very wonderful. But wait until the Ethereum value is go down. You can earn from this website much more. Okay, wait until that the value is just go down. Just come here and claim it. Okay, and just you can click claim again, and you can just claim again too. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. These are my other videos, and I share another Ethereum, like this website is one of another Ethereum. Okay, this is very high earning Ethereum, and this one is very higher than other Ethereum. Okay, you can watch this video and you can earn much more Ethereum from this website. Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel, and bye bye.